Introducing the 2022 Cupra Formentor 2.0tdi 150HP, the ultimate blend of style, comfort and safety. With a sleek black exterior, a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and a spacious estate body style, this vehicle is both practical and luxurious. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting and collision avoidance braking, you'll feel confident and connected on every journey. Plus, with security features like lane departure warning and emergency call, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.